Oh, Pa, our prayers have been answered at last. The stork has brought us a little bundle of joy. Come on, our baby mousykins.
But Matilda...
Upsy-daisy. Oh, isn't he a darling Clyde?
Matilda...
There we are, precious. Gracious, he must have the colic, Clyde.
He hasn't anything of the sort. He's purring. He's a kitten.
But, Pa...
No, Ma, we cannot keep him. No, 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 no. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. It's no use, Ma. Junior's a cat, and cats belong with people. And you'll have fish and liver. And you can lie in front of a real fireplace. Goodbye, son.
Oh, what a darling little kitten.
The 1st of May, Pa, our baby's birthday.
Hey, what do you say we go up to the house and have a peek at Junior?
Oh, Pa, could we?